a mukbang. Let's go! We're on the road again.
The second time
we're filming
we
this.
tried to film this because the first time apparently my videoing skills.
Her videoing skills are absolutely fucking appalling. The whole time, okay, to be fair, she was really hungover, but she just like only filmed herself and literally couldn't capture anything else. So, we're off.
I can see it in your eyes, you were feeling alive. Why I tell you I was good.
Yeah. Skirt, skirt, turn around. Oh, handbrake's still on.
Jeez
distracted.
Louise.
Back off, bus! Don't go.
Absolutely slow down.
We got it on the track. Who's got taken out by a bus? Story time.
You almost killed.
Oh, that's an ambulance.
This nigga calling for his blue bag.
Oh, wow. I'm so grateful working with my best friend. She did Chico.
You can order it. I'm not ordering a vegan burger.
I'm just so sorry. God, sorry.
Hi, welcome to Hungry Jack's. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I just get the vegan burger, please?
In a meal by itself.
Just by itself, but can I get no cheese on it?
Sorry, what was that one?
Can I get no cheese on it?
Sure.
Thank you. And then can I also just get a large onion rings?
Yep.
And that was it, thank you.
Okay, that one just comes to 11.60. Driving through the first window, please.
Thanks so much.
Why does a vegan burger have cheese on it?
Because it's a vegan cheese.
Oh, ew.
Yeah, sorry.
It's your question, it's a vegan cheese.
Yeah.
Said that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you stop literally bullying me?
You will.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you very much. One stop done.
Skirt, skirt.
Ali, what is it?
Ah! I don't know what we're getting again. I forget. Okay.
You just order what you want.
What flavour McFlurry are you getting?
Chocolate. Oh no, McFlurry. Caramel.
Hi, Princess, you're right.
Sun
Option.
McFlurry.
Can I please get a medium quarter pounder meal with a large chocolate thick shake as the drink?
Yeah?
What do you want?
A medium chips and a large chocolate thick shake.
A medium chips and another large chocolate thick shake?
Just by the way, our large shakes are no longer $2 either.
That's fine.
And then what kind of McFlurries do they have?
And can we get some barbecue sauce?
And sweet and sour.
And
Sweet sour sauce.
sweet and sour sauce as well. What?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then 2 Oreo McFlurries, please.
Yep.
2 Oreo McFlurry.
Yeah.
That's it. Nailed it.
All good. Did you want to add flakes to 50 cents into those? Or?
Yes, please.
Yeah, anything else today?
No, that's all.
All good. If that's everything, you're at chat forward when you're ready.
Already have.
34.25 on highway.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh my god, yum. That is so much food. You said not eating anything until we get there.
I'm gonna try it.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone.
Here we are.
We have so
bought
much food. Doing a
Let's take them through what we bought first.
Okay, yeah.
You go first with this shit.
Stop bullying me. So what we've done.
I drank out of mine already.
Okay, yeah.
This one's mine.
So I got a vegan cheeseburger, no cheese, from Hungry Jack's because it's like the only vegetarian option. And I got some onion rings.
I've never actually had onion rings, so I'm gonna have some.
I need to try
I'm
that.
very excited. And then from Mickey D's, we got, oh, there's chips spilled everywhere.
Oh, Christ. Oh no.
Full everywhere.
That's
Okay,
fine.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful. More medium chips. You can have whatever fell in the bag from yours. Sauces apparently.
Yeah, I need sauce to dip my chips. Can't do it
Quarter
without.
pounder.
Is that it?
Oh yeah, and then McFlurries and thick shakes.
Because-
yeah, why not?
So, update. The Miss coming up to Europe on Saturday.
Yeah.
We're gone.
To Europe on Saturday.
Where are you going in Europe?
England, Ireland, and Greece.
Lovely. I'll allow it. I'm so hungry. Is that a quarter pounder? It looks tiny. Have they gotten smaller since I don't know. Anyways, I'll be in Brisbane.
Literally being depressed.
So it's back. Working. Although I'm going to the Gold Coast for the weekend. My friends bought me a weekend away with them. And I think I'm going to a winery, but they're like surprising me with it, so I'm like not entirely sure what it is.
She just turned 21.
Have to do something drastic.
For real.
Uni so far. Thank God.
God.
Thank God, gosh. This actually isn't that bad. Like this burger. Think about that.
That's good. Oh. My mouth is full of far out.
And I got sauce because I can't eat anything without dipping it.
That's so weird.
Did you have anything?
No, I'll try one. What sauce?
Either one is barbecue or sweet sour.
Not with sweet and sour. Do not like that.
Really?
Try with barbecue. Not bad. I mean, it just tastes like onion.
Shocking enough. Sure that.
Smash that.
Smashed it.
Let's see how we go. We got flake for 50 cents because
Why wouldn't
we're
you?
rich.
As if you would. It's my mom's birthday tomorrow.
We should buy her a car. That'd be a good vlog. Buy my mum a car. In like asterisk, selfless, emotional.
Surprised.
Not clickbait.
Not clickbait. What kind of car should I get her?
Maybe a Lambo.
Obtainable. Would they take like $1,000 deposit? And I'll respect this and I can only pay you back like $1 a month. Is that going to be right?
That's doable.
They're like, yeah, actually.
Do you have Afterpay?
Do you zip pay? No worries.
Oh no.
So you know how I bought the Born This Way concealer?
Did you?
Not a fan. I don't mind it,
Why?
but it creases really badly on me. And I just don't think it's like that full coverage. Like I much prefer Tarte.
I'm a NARS gal.
No, I really want to try the NARS ones.
The pot one?
Yeah.
It's good. It's really thick.
But does it crease on you?
Ow! My knee hurts.
I'm so full.
I know. It's all over your mouth. That's really cute.
Wanna get it? I just like don't even know how to feel anymore. I feel violated.
That feel makes me feel violated. Oh! Curvy little bunny, me curving.
Back it all up. Big pop.
Oh, you okay?
Well, all I'm gonna say is,
That was a lot.
it doesn't seem like a lot, but you know when you're like really hungry
And then you eat like one thing and you're like, no.
and then like full. That's exactly what just happened.
Exactly.
And we had so many issues with the cars.
Yeah, and then the food was like cold.
It was literally cold.
I reckon if it was like nice and hot, I would have devoured it.
Here we are, defeated. So that was our mukbang. I don't really know how these work, but we ate some food
We talked some shit.
and you guys watched it. So congrats.
Stay tuned for what's coming next because it'll be fun.
It'll be a bit different. I hope you like it. So thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Please like, subscribe. Instagrams are linked below, so feel free to follow us up there. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Peace out.